Hi, excuse me. Is this the line to order coffee? I am Sophia, and I am new here.
Hi, Sophia. Yes, this is the order line. I am Alex, and I come here a lot.
Nice to meet you, Alex. The menu looks big, and I feel a little nervous. Can you help me order in English?
Of course I can help. We can keep it simple and clear. You can order like a native with a few easy phrases.
Thank you. First, what do people usually drink here? I see many names like latte and cappuccino.
Most people get a latte, an americano, or a cold brew. A latte has espresso and milk. A cappuccino has more foam on top.
Okay, I think I want a latte. I like milk, and I like a smooth taste. Can I ask about sizes?
Sure, they usually have small, medium, and large. Some places say tall, grande, and venti, but here it is small, medium, large.
That is easy. I want a medium latte, please. Should I say hot or iced, too?
Yes, say it, because they will ask. Hot is warm coffee, and iced is cold with ice. If it is a warm day, iced is nice.
It is warm today, so I want it iced. Now, what about milk? I see whole milk, skim milk, and oat milk.
Good question. Whole milk is creamy, skim milk is light, and oat milk is plant milk. You can say, with oat milk, please, if you want.
I want oat milk, please. I also like it a little sweet. How do I ask for sugar?
You can say, can I have it a little sweet? Or, can I get 1 pump of vanilla? If you want simple, say, 1 sugar, please.
I think I will say 1 pump of vanilla. Is pump a common word in coffee shops? I want to sound natural.
Yes, it is common. A pump is 1 press of syrup. You can also say 1 shot of syrup, but 1 pump sounds more normal.
Great! When I order, should I start with, can I get? I hear that a lot in videos.
Yes, can I get is very common. You can also say, I'd like, and it is polite. Try to speak slowly and clearly.
Okay, I will try. Can I get a medium iced latte with oat milk and 1 pump of vanilla? Is that correct?
That is perfect. You can add please at the end. They may ask for here or to go, so be ready.
For here or to go means drink inside or take away, right? I always hear it, but I want to be sure.
Yes, exactly. For here means you sit and drink inside. To go means they give you a cup with a lid to take out.
I want to sit inside today. The place looks cozy and I have time. Maybe I will say, for here, please.
Nice. They may also ask for your name for the cup. You can say, my name is Sophia, and you can spell it if they ask.
Good point. Sometimes my name is hard for people. I can say, Sophia. Sophia, right?
Yes, that is clear. You can smile and say it in a friendly way. Most baristas are used to spelling names.
I also feel a little hungry. Do people order food with coffee here? I see muffins and cookies in the case.
Yes, many people get a pastry. A croissant is light and buttery, and a blueberry muffin is sweet. You can say, can I also get a croissant?
I like croissants. But I have a small nut allergy, so I need to be careful. How do I ask about nuts?
You can say, does this have nuts? Or, is this made with nuts? If you want extra safe, ask, is there any chance of nuts?
That sounds helpful. I will ask, does the croissant have nuts? If it is safe, I will order one.
Good. When you are ready, step up and order in 1 sentence. If you forget something, you can add it after. It is okay.
Okay, I am ready now. I will go first and you can listen. If I make a mistake, please tell me after.
You got this. Speak with a calm voice and keep eye contact. I will be right behind you.
Hi, can I get a medium iced latte with oat milk and 1 pump of vanilla, please? For here, please. And does the croissant have nuts?
That was very natural. You used can I get and please well. Now they will answer about nuts and ask for your name.
They said the croissant has no nuts, so I said yes. Then they asked for my name, and I said, Sophia. Sophia.
Perfect. Now they may ask you to pay. You can say, I will pay by card, or can I tap my card if you use contactless?
They asked, card or cash? I said, card, please, and I tapped my card. It feels good when it works.
Nice job. Some screens show a tip question, and that can feel awkward. You can choose an amount or press no tip, and it is okay.
I saw that screen, and I was not sure. In my country, tipping is different. I chose a small tip, and I smiled.
That is kind. In the United States, tipping is common, but it depends on you. The important part is being polite and confident.
Now it is your turn to order. I want to listen to your native style. What do you usually say?
I keep it simple. I say, hey, can I get a large hot americano, please? Then I add, with room, so I can add a little cream.
With room means you want some space in the cup, right? That is new for me. People say it when they add milk later.
Exactly. It means not filled to the top. You can also say, a little room, and they understand.
You ordered fast, but it was clear. They asked if you want an extra shot, and you said no. What is an extra shot?
A shot is one small amount of espresso. An extra shot makes the drink stronger. If you want more energy, you can say, add an extra shot, please.
I might try that one day, but not today. I still want my drink smooth and light. Now we wait near the pickup counter.
Yes, we stand here and listen for our names. The barista will call, Sophia or Alex, and we take the cups.
While we wait, can we practice more? I hear black coffee and decaf?
Sure. Black coffee means no milk and no sugar. Decaf means less caffeine, so it is good for late afternoon.
I also hear half and half. Is that milk? People say it quickly and I get lost.
Half and half is half milk and half cream. It is richer than milk. Many coffee shops have it at the self-serve station.
Oh, I see the station with lids, sugar, and napkins. People also ask for stirrers. That is the small stick, right?
Yes, a stirrer is a little stick to mix your drink. You can also say straw for iced drinks. If you need something, you can say, can I have a straw, please?
Good. I want to sound polite, not demanding. So I can say, could I have two, right?
Yes, could I have is polite and common. May I have is also polite, but it sounds a little formal.
I think, could I have a straw, please, is perfect. Also, if they make my drink wrong, what do I say?
You can be friendly and say, sorry, I think this is not mine. Or say, I ordered oat milk. Can you please remake it? Most places will fix it.
That is useful. I do not want to be rude, but I want the right drink. I can smile and keep my voice calm.
Exactly. Kind words help a lot. Also, check the sticker on the cup to see your name and the drink.
I see my name on a cup now. It says Sophia without the PH. That is funny, but it is okay.
That happens all the time. If you want, you can gently say, it is Sophia with PH, but it is not a big problem.
Here comes my drink. It looks great, and I can smell the coffee. I will take it carefully.
Great, and here is my americano. Let's find a table by the window. We can sit, drink, and talk a little more.
This table is nice. The music is soft, and I like the warm light. I feel relaxed now.
Me too. Coffee shops are good for slow mornings. They are also great places to practice English listening.
Can we review my full order one more time? I want to remember the exact sentence. Then I can use it again tomorrow.
Sure. Say, can I get a medium iced latte with oat milk and 1 pump of vanilla, please? Then add, for here, please, and your food request.
Can I also get a croissant, please? That sounds easy. If they ask about heating it, I can say yes or no.
Right. They might ask, do you want it warmed up? You can answer, yes, please, or no, thank you, and you are done.
I like how simple it can be. I used to think I needed long sentences, but short sentences work. I feel more confident now.
Short and clear is best, especially at a 1 and a 2 level. Over time, you can add more details like light ice or extra foam.
Light ice means less ice, right? That is good because I want more drink, not too much ice. I can say, light ice, please.
Yes, that is correct. You can also say no ice if you want it cold but without ice, but some shops may still add a little.
I also hear no whip. That is for whipped cream on top, right? People say it in a very fast way.
Yes, whip is short for whipped cream. If a drink comes with whipped cream and you do not want it, say, no whip, please.
This is great practice. Now I can listen and understand more words in the shop. I feel like I can order like a local.
You are doing really well. You asked questions, you ordered clearly, and you handled payment. That is real English in real life.
Thank you, Alex. Next time, I want to try a cappuccino or a cold brew. Can we meet here again this week?
Sure, I would like that. We can meet on Friday morning and practice again. For now, enjoy your latte and have a great day.